Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is the time for general knowledge lesson. Let's see, the topic today is parts of a plant. You see many plants around and we need a few things to make them grow, or plants need a few things to grow. Let's see the first one. First one is sunlight. Then number 2 is air. I told you ना, जब हमने air का topic किया था, मैंने आपको बताया था ना, air is very important for human beings, for animals and for plants as well. Number 3 is water. And number 4 is the green thing. The green thing in the plant, we call it chlorophyll, but you will learn it later. Okay. Now, I am going to give you a brief description of all the parts of plant. Let's start from the seed. Okay. Seed is number 1. Then roots. Next is stem. And the next one is leaf. पता है ना leaf किसको कहते हैं? Leaves, पत्तों को. Yes. And then the next is bud. Bud क्या होता है? जब फूल बंद होता है, when it is not blossomed, we call it bud. और जब वो खिल जाता है, we call it a flower. A flower. And then flower becomes fruit. Okay. Then there are many seeds inside the fruit. So this is a brief description of all the parts of plants. Now we will watch some more videos to learn a few more things about parts of a book. Page number 16, Unit 4. Let's read Unit 4, Plants. Unit 4, Plants. There are many types of plants. There are many types of plants. Some are big and some are small. Some are big and some are small. If you see this picture, you can see these tall trees, huge trees and small plants as well. You see, these are the creepers. We call them creepers, and these are climbers. ये चढ़ जाते हैं ना इसके ऊपर, प्लांट्स उसके स्टिक्स पे और जो भी हम उनको चीज़ मिलती है अपने इर्द गिर्द दीवारों पर, we call them climbers. Okay, now let's revise parts of plants. Start with roots. Roots, I told you, underground part is root. We call it roots. Next is stem. Stem helps the plant to stand. Then there are green leaves, and one is leaf and many are leaves. And this small flower which is not opened, we call it bud. We call it bud. And this is flower. Okay, now there are a few flowers on this page, flowers and leaves. Let's learn a few more things about flowers and leaves. Flowers, first of all, let's see. You have to learn the names of these flowers. This is pansy. This is pansy. This flower is pansy. This is lotus. Lotus. Sunflower. This is sunflower. The next is rose. We call it rose. You must know a few of the names, but you have to learn all these names. Now count the petals. Petals क्या होते हैं? These parts of the flower. जो फूलों की पत्तियां होती हैं ना, उनको petals बोलते हैं. So these petals you have to count. Hibiscus. The first one is hibiscus. Hibiscus has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. And periwinkle. Periwinkle is the next one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5 petals. You will count the petals of jasmine. Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 petals. And lily has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. Okay, now you will color the leaves. You know what is the color of the leaves? Green. You can use different shades to color all these leaves. Now let's see the last activity. Collect leaves and flowers. Bring them to class. When the school will open, inshallah, you will bring your leaves and flowers, whatever you will collect during these days. You will bring them to school, and we have many activities to do with those. All right. Alright, see you next time inshallah with another interesting topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.